Hey, welcome. In this lecture, what we are going to be doing is when we click on Genera, we want to go to Genera, and when we click on Shipping, we want to go to Shipping, Attribute, we want to go to Attributes, Images, we want to go to Images. Okay, now to do this, as you know, within the scaffold, it has a property known as body, and this is going to take in a widget known as TabbarView, TabbarView, and it's going to take in list of views. So it asks these children, and for now we can just have maybe a center widget inside, then test. This is going to say genera, and we can just copy this and paste 3 more times. This, this, and this. This is going to say shipping. This is going to say archery boots, and this is going to say images. Okay, and use Control and S now to get rid of that. Use Control and S to save and go check this out. Okay, wait for this. Great, we have the images and click on attributes, shipping, genera. And on your own, what you can do is try to create other screens. First of all, create a new folder called upload tabs, then create other screens. Then you just have to use it over here. See if you can do that. See if you can do that. Then in the next lecture, we are going to do it together. Okay.